crowning jewel is also under the cupola. Now on the right hand side next to the river we can see these bronze shoes, about 60 pairs of them we have. This is a memory for those Jewish people who was killed here in Budapest at the end of the Second World War. As a nice gesture, many of the tourists and the local people leave their own pair of shoes next to the bronze ones, and it is collected by the charity companies usually. On the right hand side, on the Buda side, we can see now the beautiful building of the Matthias Church with the Fisherman's Bastion. It is named after our most famous Renaissance king Matthias. He had 2 weddings and both of his weddings was taking place in this church. That's why it is a really popular church for weddings still nowadays as well. On the left hand side on the corner we can see now the Hungarian Scientific Academy, which was erected in 1896 by the plans of a German architect who was called Friedrich Stüler. We are now on the Széchenyi Square. It is named after the greatest Hungarian graph István Széchenyi. We can see his statue on the left hand side. He was the person who took a lot for the development of our country. For example, his idea was to build up the Scientific Academy as well, for what he offered his 1-year income. On your left side you can see this beautiful building, which is the so-called Grösser Palace. Originally it was built for an English safety deposit seasons, which was voted for the best hotel of the world in 2009. And we arrive now to the stop number 4.
And maximum 200 academicians, all must be under 75.
Gleich nach der Brücke liegt die Ungarische Akademie der Wissenschaften. Dieses Institut wurde im Reformalter gegründet, in der zweiten Hälfte des letzten Jahrhunderts. In 1825 spendete Graf Széchenyi ein Jahresinkommen seines Guthofes zu diesem Zweck. Als er dann gefragt wurde, wovon er leben wird, antwortete er: Meine Freunde werden mir schon helfen. Das Gebäude wurde von Friedrich Stüler zwischen 1862 und 1864 gebaut. Heute hat die Akademie 10 Fakultäten, die maximum 200 Akademiker beschäftigen. Das Gebäude selbst ist für Touristen nicht geöffnet.
The chain bridge was built between 1842 and 1849. It was not finished when Austrian troops withdrawing to Buda tried to blow it up, but didn't manage. Had no tanks, and Adam Klepp committed suicide. But all this, of course, is not true.
Die Kettenbrücke wurde zwischen 1800 und 1849 gebaut. Im Zweiten Weltkrieg wurde sie gesprengt und musste später neu aufgebaut werden. Es gibt eine Anekdote zu dieser Brücke. Als es fertig war, verkündete der Bauingenieur Clark, dass falls jemand einen Fehler darin entdeckt, würde er sich umbringen. Jemand hat später gesagt, dass die Löwen am Brückeneintritt keine Zunge besitzen. Glücklicherweise hielt Clark sein Versprechen nicht.
Let's talk a bit about the water we are floating on. River Danube is the second longest river in Europe. It has its source at the Black Forest in the so-called Schwarzer Wald, and it flows into the Black Sea in Ukraine. Its length in Hungary is 417 kilometers, and in Budapest it is 28 kilometers. The biggest flood came in the spring of 1838, and in 1839 the riverbank was built higher, as high as you can see now.
Sprechen wir jetzt ein bisschen über den Fluss, den wir entlang fahren. Die Donau ist der zweitlängste Fluss in Europa. Sie hat ihren Ursprung im Schwarzwald und fließt in den Schwarzen Meer in der Ukraine hinein. Innerhalb Ungarns fließt es 417 Kilometer lang Innerhalb von Budapest sind es 28 Kilometer. Es gab auch ein paar Hochwasser, das größte in den Frühlingen von 1838 und 1839.
The designer Imre Stein was originally a stone carver who went to study architecture to Vienna. When the construction started, he was 44 years old, but due to illness, he couldn't be present when the parliament was put into use. He died some weeks before that.
Ahí Margit. Ai văzut și când mergeai cu mașina și zicea, în partea stângă aveți zid. Și prost? Am văzut duse din partea aia. Unde din partea aia? M-am uitat și pe dreapta, și pe dreapta cealaltă, și nu era.
מסביב לאי, אנחנו עכשיו בסיבוב.
The company is building this within the last construct and will be in Budapest in the next 20 years. However, with the growth of the capital, it was necessary to have another big
מזג האוויר כפול.
by French engineers and planned to work for the company outside. He decided to stay here. He lived in the town for 12 years. During this time, his parents made the restaurant railway station, which is the oldest station in Hungary. The length of the bridge is 647 meters. The bridge closed in 1945 and later built in its original form in 1946 and 1948. This bridge was the single greatest disaster in the history of the capital. In November 1944, in the afternoon, in the rush hour, when several people were crossing the bridge holding on to it without hands, tragic flew between the island and the coastline by German soldiers in Alsace, and the catastrophe claimed several victims.
סיור רגיל ללא תשלום. חבל שלא שמת את הרמקול שם.
לא חשוב. אני אוהב שהיא...
כן, נכון.